You might be wondering how I achieve this total balance on my Rumble account in less than a week. And if you watch the recent video that I made regarding post and earn platform where they combine Rumble and post and earn platform together. But I want to tell you in this video that this Rumble and the post and earn platform is totally different. So after purchasing that course, or software, I actually don't know what to call it. So then I decided to take a step on using this Rumble account. So then I have taken some different things in consideration, and then this is what I was able to achieve on this Rumble account, and I'll be showing you how I achieve this in less than 7 days. So first thing I take notes and that I try to do in the first place is checking on the kind of videos which I need to make and publish on this Rumble account or Rumble platform. So I look into different CPM, which the kind of video that are paying high on Rumble platform. So then I notice some kind of like motivation videos, because people are really interested in watching motivational videos. So then this is what I do. I went to this website, which is Pixabay. So I look for some videos which are royalty free videos. Then I try to combine everything together, then upload it to my Camtasia account software. So then after combining 5 to 6 videos together, which are their voltage. So as you can see here, these are voltage videos which you can actually use, which also depends on the kind of niche you want to get into using the Rumble account. So once you decide on the niche you want to choose by uploading video on your Rumble account, you can just decide to search for some voltage here. So let's say motivation. So you can see here, these are some motivational videos voltage which you can download any one of them, and they are royalty free, so anyone can use them. So I try to compile 5 to 6 videos together to make or to achieve at least 1 to 2 minute videos. Then what I do next is adding text to the videos, like searching for motivational quotes on Google. So motivational quotes. So after this, then I try to compile everything together, then paste it on each video voltage to make it make sense and then to look amazing. Then what I do next is adding background music to it. So you can definitely download some royalty free background music from YouTube. So as you can see here, I have some background royalty music which I can use on any kind of videos which I want to make. So I use one of these websites to get royalty free music which I use on each videos that I uploaded on Rumble platform. So maybe you have seen a way in which you want to make your own videos, so you don't need to go into all this stress. So if you have know how you can make your own video, so you don't need to go to all move to all this kind of stress. So the next thing for you is just to find a place where you can upload or where you can share your videos. So once you notice where you can share your videos, then that is where your earnings start from. So let's take for instance, you are into motivation videos. So now go to quora.com. So I'm going to tell you what Quora is all about and how you should use Quora platform. So this Quora platform, different kind of people ask different kind of questions. As you can see here, this is one question: what is the best Fiverr gig in the space so far? So how can I become a middleman in freelancing? Why did my Fiverr account get disabled? So these are the kind of questions that people used to ask. So let's now take, for instance, you are into motivational videos. So you can just come here and ask a question by putting in what motivational video inspire you most. So as you can see here, this is a question that I asked on Quora platform. So then you can add the question here. Then there will be an option where you can put in your video URL after you have published on Rumble. So there will be a space here where you can add your, so you can see here, these are some suggestion pages where people will get notified about my question. So as you can see here, inspirational videos, motivational videos, inspiration. So if I want to add all this one too, so self-improvement, motivational speaker, self-motivational, then inspirational quotes, YouTube, and all that. So I can include all this one to it. Then you will add your video link to the question so that people can see your videos and click. And once they click on your videos, then your video will start pumping from there. And the more people interact with your question, so definitely your video will get suggested on Quora platform. So now let me show you what my my account has generated so far, and then the analytics and all that. So you can see here, this is 44,000, almost 45,000 plays, video plays, and the CPM is $1.46, and earnings so far is $65.8. So all these earnings are from Rumble platform only. So I added some videos from YouTube, so possibility I might earn some extra money from YouTube platform. So it will definitely show here, which is YouTube earnings, and then maybe some other third parties platform as well. But I only share my videos on Rumble platform, then I try to promote those videos on Quora and some other forum platforms, which I also share the videos on WhatsApp and then some Facebook groups. So it depends on the kind of Facebook group that you belong to. So with this kind of videos you want to be posting on Rumble platform, so you can join various kind of Facebook group related to your niche or related to the kind of videos you want to be making or uploading on Rumble platform. Then with that you can be able to share your videos and find people who will be interested in watching your videos. So this is very easy method to make your first $50 on Rumble platform. And with Rumble platform, it was stated that you can only withdraw from $50 after the first 30 days on the platform. So I haven't spent up to a week on the platform, so that's the reason why I haven't seen the total balance here on the available balance to withdraw. So as you can see here, the minimum amount to cash out is $50. So had it been the $50 is already reflecting here on the available balance, so definitely I will be able to withdraw the money. So then what else do I want to talk about? So these are the ways which I use to make videos on Rumble and publish the video, and this is how I was able to earn my first $50 on Rumble platform. So I hope these videos help you and give you some insight on what you should do and why you should trust this platform, and I think they actually worth it. Although I have not withdrawn my first payment on the platform, but of course I believe they will definitely come through after the first 30 days running an account on the platform. So if you have any question regarding this platform or regarding how to make video and upload to Rumble platform, kindly drop a comment in the comment section below, and I will be happy to give you a response as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified.